think about this. I've been doing this for 40 years, and you've known me for, I don't know, 4 or 5 years now. Have I lost any passion? Have I lost any juice? Have I lost any energy? No, because this is not a job. I'm not up in, front of the class talking about science and math and let's get into botany today. Botany is not going to make a difference in my marriage. Botany is not going to have me have a breakthrough in abundance in my business unless I'm a agriculturist. All right. Create leadership and emotional intelligence. And it takes time, it takes commitment, it takes participation. You can't just have a membership to the gym and think it's going to rub off you, like osmosis. And all of a sudden you're going to be a superstar athlete and in great shape. It takes doing the training. Come to the 2 days, be there fully, 100%, heart, body, soul, and spirit. Participate 100%. Create incredible breakthroughs and value for yourself and everybody there.